game, it was quite a good showing on our part. But the good part was that the goals were scored by different individuals, so it was a collective team effort. So that's the good part about the game. But I think in terms of our improvement, we definitely could have been a bit tighter in our defense and in terms of reading of the play. So I think moving forward, these are the areas that we want to work on.